Valledupar is the capital of the Cesar, known as the world capital of Vallenato. Every year is celebrated in April La Leyenda del Festival Vallenato. It's a very nice city with many places that you can visit. For example, we have the La Plaza Alfonso Lope. We also have a beautiful river that you can visit with all your family. It has many trees and is very clean. The people of Valledupar are very respectful. In a different part of the city have a monument of the most important chapters of our culture. So you can take a photo with that. Well, thank you very much for your attention.